Yeah, so that's what it is. Smart girl, smart gets on your brain, mother.
So this video that you just watched of me, this is literally me 1 year before I started practicing. I was the type of person you would say, this person would never ever be a righteous practicing Muslim. I'm not saying I'm righteous right now, but we are above average for the time we live in. We are above average practicing Muslims. Now it's my main priority is to please Allah Azza wa Jal. And in order to get here from there, wallahi, the only thing it was is high Iman. It wasn't some secret skill that I have. It was literally just, I really have to do this for the sake of Allah. And I remember when I started practicing, one hadith that was very constant and present in my mind was, "Man taraka shay'an lillahi awwada khayran minhu." Whoever leaves something for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal, Allah Azza wa Jal will give him something better. And this hadith helped me emotionally to leave off so many things. And so when I say the second step is to strengthen your Iman, I really, really, really mean this. Like if you strengthen your Iman, self-discipline is a no-brainer. Because all you have to do is read a quote, read a hadith, سَمِعْنَا وَأَطَعْنَا. We heard it and we did it. Just like the Sahaba where we heard a hadith and we did it. So faith, strengthen your faith is very important. And the reason why is because if you compare it against the opposite, you will see that cheap dopamine, it weakens your system. It weakens your thinking because now you're thinking of doing something and you say, I know it's not good, but khalas, I'll just do it. You go against your intellect. So you're doing dumb things pretty much. You are becoming more and more retarded because you are following your desires. You're not following your intellect. When you don't follow your intellect, you do things that don't make sense. If you do things that don't make sense, you're basically becoming dumber and dumber. So it makes your body lazy then because you have weak thinking. So you do things, for example, eat things that you know it will crash your energy. So now your body is lazy. And so you become somebody that has poor judgment. So as we said, having a strong faith will give you the craziest and strongest discipline. However, going into step 3, what is it that gives you a high Iman? How do you get a stronger Iman? And the only path to getting a stronger faith, the only path to increasing your Iman, to getting a stronger faith is through